Hello everyone, it's Julia here from Inflorescence Designs. For today's tutorial, we are making a no-sew fabric snowflake. So let's begin. For this project, you will need to create 6 identical fabric pieces. To begin, start by taking your dark 5-inch fabric square and fusing the HeatnBond Ultra to the wrong side. Once that cools, peel off the backing paper and adhere the light fabric to the shiny adhesive. I like to use a piece of pressing paper for this step, so I don't accidentally get glue on my iron. Once your fabric is cooled, you will need to square it up to 4.5 inches. Once you've trimmed your fabric, you will then need to fold your square along the diagonal twice. You will place the long edge of your fabric vertically with the other open, shorter edge to the bottom. I am left-handed, so I place my fabric with the open edge to the right. If you are right-handed, you probably do it the opposite way. Once you have your fabric folded, you will need to add some vertical cuts. Place your ruler on the triangle 1/2 inch away from the open edge. Make a vertical cut from the bottom, but make sure to not cut all the way through. You will need to make 2 more vertical cuts, each 1/2 inch away from each other. I advise practicing this on scrap fabric first to make sure you have your triangle lined up correctly. Once you've made your cuts, give your fabric a nice press. Next, we will be using ThermoWeb's PeelNStick Fabric Fuse sheets. Start by cutting one of the sheets into small squares. Starting with the inner part of the snowflake, fold the 2 ends together and adhere them with the PeelNStick Fabric Fuse. With the next square, fold it in the opposite direction. Using the PeelNStick Fabric Fuse strips, adhere them together. Finally, fold and adhere the outer square in the same direction as the first. Next, it's time for assembly. To assemble, you will need 6 fabric pieces. We will be working with 3 at a time. Using the PeelNStick Fabric Fuse sheets again, adhere the middle of the snowflake pieces together. You will do this for both the top 3 and the bottom 3 pieces. You will also need to adhere the top 3 and the bottom 3 points together. Once your top 3 and bottom 3 pieces are together, You will need to use the PeelNStick Fabric Fuse sheet to adhere the middles as well as both sides of your snowflake. To finish your fabric snowflake, simply add a hanger using a needle and a thread.